Welcome everyone. We are back to our classes, and today we are looking at expansion of brackets. It's going to be a very short video. A lot of students have problem with expansion of brackets. Okay, be it single brackets, double brackets, be it triple, multiple brackets as well. So, for the purpose of this class, I want to show you how to expand brackets, two brackets that might have similar numbers, okay, or they might be dissimilar. However it is, um, please like the video, share and comment. You're going to be helping a lot of people learn what you'll be seeing right now. That is one. Two, please don't forget to follow our page Food, Prof Food on Facebook, okay, and on TikTok. We are Our name is, well, I don't forget name, wetin dey worry me. Na because I never chop na why. On TikTok, our name is Prof Dog. Okay, Prof Prof Dog. Alright, that is the name on TikTok. On Instagram is Jacob Ndarake. Also on Facebook, you can also see Jacob Ndarake, whichever page you might be viewing us from. So now let's get back to the nitty-gritty and the ebonquisity of the class for the day. And speak nonsense sharp. Now, expansion of brackets. I want to show you something now. Now check this out. Assuming you go for exams, all these exams, state exams, you see something like this. You see something like let's say you are given x plus 3, okay, and you are also given x um minus 2. You have to expand the two brackets. How do you go about it? Try it to be very simple for you. Okay, how do you go about it? Now I'll show you how to do it. Simple. Now what you do is that if you look at these two brackets here, this one has x plus 3. Alright, these are boys, these are men, they are not complicated. You see this one, x minus 2. There are young girls in year 1 and year 2. I shall cannot do much. So this is x minus 2, x plus 2. Now how do you expand the brackets? Simple. You see this one that has plus now, the boys. Write it down 2 times. No, let's write this one. The one with minus sign, sorry, I apologize. The one with minus sign, write it out 2 times. The girls, okay? So see what I'm going to do. I'll write out x minus 2, that is the first bracket. I'll write it again, x minus 2. This one negative sign 2 times. Now, go to this one now that has plus, right? The first letter that is here or number is x. Bring it out in the first bracket. Okay, so we have x. Now, the second number here is plus 3. Put it here in this other bracket here, plus 3. Now, please don't forget that in mathematics, whenever you see brackets, let's say 3 brackets 2, bracket means multiplication. Okay, multiply. That means 3 times 2. Okay, if you see 10 bracket 7, bracket means 10 times 7. Is that okay? Now, I believe you are following. So, this bracket here simply means multiplication. Now, let's multiply. So, I have x times x will give me x squared. Okay, x times minus 2 will give me minus 2x. E dey follow? I mean, na you no wan chop food, na you go take follow sha. Now, this one now, 3 times x will give me 3x. 3x. E clear abi? E sharp. Now, 3 times minus will give me minus 6. So what we do is that this one is x squared, is just only the only x squared in the problem. I write down x squared. Alright. Now this is minus 2x plus 3x. I could also say this minus 2x is like say you borrowed, minus sign means you borrow, plus means what you have. So let's say minus 2x means you borrow 2,000. You borrow 2,000 naira from somebody. That is minus. So you are owing somebody 2,000. Plus 3x means you now have 3,000. Okay? So if you borrow 2,000, that is minus 2x now. You borrow 2,000. You now come and have 3,000. If you pay back your 2,000 which you borrowed, you actually have 1,000 left. That means you have only 1x left. So this is like say 3x minus 2x. You can turn it. Okay, so you borrow 3,000, 2,000, sorry, you borrow 2,000, you now have 3,000, you pay back, you still have your 1,000. So this is x squared is a minus 2x plus x is what? Plus x. and then minus what? 6. This is the expansion of this bracket. So when Mama 6 sweet, Mama 6 sweet. Okay, how will you understand? Let's take another example. I'll be very quick about it. Look at this one. This one, let's say that the brackets are the same. Let's say I have x plus 4 all raised to power 2. Alright? If you want to expand it, how do you expand it? This square, this is raised to power 2 means that this bracket is 2 and they are the same thing. So this will simply means x plus 4, alright? And we also have x plus what? 4. Now I will solve using the first method that I've solved there. I will solve using the first method. Then I will now come to second approach. So what I do is that I'll just write one of the bracket out 2 times. Let me say, because they are all the same, I can write any one. So I have here x plus 4, first one, x plus 4, second one. Now the first number here is x, bring it out here. This other one is 4, put it here. Okay? Plus 4. So x times x is what? X squared, right? X times 4 will give me 4x. 4 times x will give me 4x. 4 times 4 will give me 16. Alright? So this place now, I have to evaluate this place because they're the same thing. Right? It's like say 4 apples plus 4 apples. That is 8 apples. 8 apples. So we have x squared here plus 4x plus 4 will give me 8x plus what? 16. This is expansion for this. But these ones are for students that are in primary 3. And then those students that want to go for class, they don't eat food. You cannot understand, it's not possible. Now, see the shortcuts here. Check this out. So if I'm given x plus 4 all raised to power 2. Now, please listen very carefully, okay, so you don't miss it now. What you want you to do for me, this one will solve it in 2 lines and 10 seconds. You carry this 2 here, this power 2 and square this one. Just carry it and put it as square. Is that okay? So carry 2 and put that becomes what? X square. Carry this 2 and put it x square. Now multiply 1, 2 and 3 together. Just multiply it through. We can stay one place. Now, so we multiply through. So we have x times 4 is 4x. 4x times this 2 will give me 8x. So that means I'm having plus 8x. Okay? Now, the last one, we carry this 2 and square. That means you have plus 4 square. So we have x square plus 8x. 4 square means 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is what? 16. Of what? Like the same math. Check this out. X square, 8x, 8x. 16, 16. Simple, okay? Square 2 give you x square, multiply 1, 2, 3. X times 4, 4x times 2 is 8x. And you square the last one. That means 4 square is what? 16. Should we do another one? We should not. Should we? How about you? Okay. So we stop it here. In our next class, we will start bringing in concepts from physics and from chemistry. And please don't forget that the need 2 things to join the class. The first one is your brains. Second one is food. So on our second menu in this class, I have tin of milk that I bought, and that is my meal for the class. So please, as I'm eating mine, make sure that you are eating your medicine. Okay. So here goes the milk. Our end of the class. Thank you. Please watch, like, share, comment. God bless you. See you in the next video.